Ready to turn your breakfast into a full-blown Nigerian feast? Imagine pancakes bustling with fresh carrots, crunchy onions, spicy scotch bonnet, pepper, and tasty fish, all in one bite. This isn't your regular pancake. It's a protein-packed, flavor-loaded twist that brings the best of Nigerian street food right to your kitchen. Stick around because you're about to discover a pancake recipe your family will crave every single weekend.
Let's start by preparing the veggies.
In a pot on the fire, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, add the onion and stir fry. I also add the scotch bonnet pepper and stir fry before adding the other vegetables. Here come in my carrot, neatly grated. I stir fry and also prepare it for the other ingredients. I come in with a pinch of salt, then a little fish. I mix everything together till well combined and stir fry for like 2 minutes, and now it is ready. Can you see? Wow. So let's go to the other part. Here, I break 1 medium-sized egg into a clean bowl and then add 1 cup of milk, then 1 cup of water. I come in with 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and also I'm making use of brown sugar. I will add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. I mix everything well till well combined. Mix everything together till well combined. This pancake is a powerhouse breakfast loaded with protein from fish plus vitamins and fiber from carrots and onions. So you are fueling your body with every bite. The addition of scotch bonnet pepper not only adds a spicy kick, but also boosts your metabolism and wakes up your taste buds. It's a filling, nutritious meal that keeps you satisfied and energized all morning. Well mixed, I set that aside. Then coming here to my dry ingredient, my sifted 3 cups of flour. I added 1 teaspoon of baking powder and mix well. Then over to the wet ingredient, I add the flour a bit at a time and mix very well until everything is well combined and I have a smooth batter. This pancake is a powerhouse breakfast loaded with protein from fish plus vitamins and fiber from carrots and onions. So you are fueling your body with every bite. The addition of scotch bonnet pepper not only adds a spicy kick, but also boosts your metabolism and wakes up your taste buds. It's a filling, nutritious meal that keeps you satisfied and energized all morning, Nigerian style. Then it is now time for me to add the veggies. My daughter is struggling with me. She tasted the veggies and they tasted so delicious, so she wanted to have a little of it. So I gave it to her and used the rest. Look at my butter, it's fine, it's looking attractive. So it's ready now for me to fry my pancake. Oh, lest I forget, I added a pinch of salt is okay. If you enjoyed this healthy pancake upgrade till now, thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to tap the notification bell so that you will never miss out on more creative Nigerian recipes. And if you have not subscribed, do so now. Now it's time for us to fry. Just on the frying pan on the stove, I added just 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and added the butter like you see me do. So I try to spread the butter so that it will cover the plate and make it flat. I don't want it thick. This one is optional. And take note, while frying it will be on low heat, else you have something like this. You don't want your butter to get burnt. So I cook it over low heat and patiently wait for it to cook before flipping it over to the other side. So can you see the butter there is dried, so I flipped it over. And as you can see, the other side is not burnt at all. This is my preference anyway. If you want yours burnt, then you can increase the heat intensity. But for me, this is the way I want it. And can you see, it looks so fine, so delicious and inviting. So I flipped it over several times just to avoid burning. And when it is ready, like you see, it's fine. It is fine. Wow, let's take it off the fire and over to the plate. Yes, I repeated the process, and this is what I have for my, oh wow, it's looking beautiful, inviting and tasty. Can you see? Wow, this is for breakfast. My tea is waiting there for me. Will you try my recipe? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to share with me your choices of ingredients so I can try it when next I make this delicious pancake recipe. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.